So yesterday night I pushed an update to my app on the Play Store and within few hours the app completely broke. And funny part is it was caused by a very small issue that I forgot to fix before publishing the update. So today I'll show you how I fixed a broken Play Store update, and if you like a dev content like this, make sure you subscribe. So basically what happened was I made a few changes and pushed a new update to Play Store. Everything looked fine at first, but later I realized a small bug that I forgot to fix before publishing. Yeah, so at this point, the update was already live and users were installing it. So imagine a situation where you have 50% of your users where you already installed, updated the app, and 50% have not updated it. So the first thing we need to do is stop the broken update from spreading to the rest of the users. So we need to save remaining 50% of the users from updating it. So the best way to do is halt rollout. So the Play Store gives us an option called halt rollout. So I immediately went to the Play console and used the halt rollout option. So what does this do it? It stops the update from reaching the rest of the users who haven't even updated it. So now the broken version is no longer spreading. The next question is what about the user who already have installed this update? So for them, there's a little workaround thing. If they clear the Play Store cache and reinstall the app again, they'll actually install the previous stable version of the app. So once it's all done, we got some time to work on the fix. So I fixed the issue and tested the app properly again and then published the correct update. So the greatest lesson or the biggest lesson I learned from this is always, even if you made a little changes in regards to UI or anything, make sure you test before you publish it because it can cause a lot more trouble later. So sometimes the issue might be very small, but once it's reached to production, it can affect a lot of users. So anyways, just wanted to share this experience in case you're building apps and publishing the updates. So if you're using a Play Store, knowing halt rollout can actually save you a situation like this. So thank you for watching.